Good evening, folks. Mark here in the Fan Cave. It's August 23rd, 2025. It's around 8:30 at night. What I have here is an orange line. I've seen several different orange lines over the year, variations of the orange line. Some have the, some have like the union-shaped motor, like this one over here. Some have the little flat fingus at the bottom there, like this one here, and some have a flat fingus without the fingus over there. So I'm gonna get the switch in the picture. Okay, so I'm gonna start this one off on 1, which is the fastest setting. And 2. Three. After 4. 4. Da-da. And the slowest is 5. I have this actually set it to a 5-speed Envirofan control, which is appropriate since it is an Envirofan. So you're not going to get much of a spin down because of all the other fans that I have on right now. It's a pretty warm day. It's like 85 out there. Went for a nice hike earlier. Met up with the woman that I'm currently dating. I've had my 3rd date with her now, and went up for. She lives in Nashua, New Hampshire. So went up there for a nice hike around Mine Falls Park, about 2-hour hike, and then went up for some Tex-Mex afterwards at a nearby restaurant, and so it was a little nice day, a little on the warm side, but so I figured I actually have a little bit of energy, which is rare for me, but at this time of day especially, I usually just veg out in front of the, watch YouTube videos, but now you can just veg out and watch YouTube videos because I made one for you. So I do have a little bit of energy today. I figured I'd come over here and to the shop and test out a few fans. So there you go, spin down complete. There's really not much to see up top. All of the stickers are gone. Yeah, you can see the logo scar on the back here. Or it used to say Orange Line at one point in time, and there's actually a little bit of the orange line left on the side. So anyway, yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Please do stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night, good luck.